Hey guys, hope you're okay, but before we go into too much detail, let's take a minute to appreciate this hairstyle. Honestly, these butterfly faux locks are to die for. They're beautiful, very easy hairstyle to maintain, easy hairstyle to manipulate, to style. I've had this hairstyle for about 2 weeks now. I did it, I think about 2 weeks ago, but I didn't film the after picture because it was so tight and I was tired. It literally took me about, I want to say 7, 8 hours to do the braids because I think my nails are quite long. I'm not used to doing my hair with my nails so long. My arms were dead, but we pulled through. So just before we begin, I'm just going to show you, I used 2.5 packs of this one. This is the one that I used to wrap around in number 24. And then in this one, the twisted springy afro twist, I only used about 1/4 of this pack. I didn't need too much because my hair is very long and it's very thick, and I didn't want the braids to be too thick. I just wanted them to be as they are, which is perfect. But yeah, so here we are. I will just show a few pictures of how I styled the hairstyle. I think I went out once or twice. I've got a few pictures. I'll just put those in there as well, so you guys see how I styled the hair and how it looked in the first week leading up to where we are now. But honestly, I feel like it's one of those hairstyles that looks so much better after a certain period has passed. But yeah, without rambling too much, I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this beautiful look. Let me show you the back. Yeah, so here we are, step 1.
Hey guys, it's Hayley, Simply Mayonnaise's niece, and I am going to be talking you through her hair routine. First of all, as you can see, her hair's in some box parts. She has some twists and some braids. I don't know what's going on there, but obviously that means you can do whichever one you want, whichever one is easier. Just make sure the part ends are very clean because it will lead to a cleaner hairstyle and a cleaner finish right at the end. So this is the hair that she is going to be using. It is 24 inch in the color T530. It's a 3-pack water wave 24 inch, like I just said. And this is the other one. It's in the color 1 expression twisted up, 3-pack 24 inches. Make sure they're the same inches because it will probably look better. This is probably her holy grail mirror. It's 3 angles. She just hangs it up on her door quickly. You can get the back, the front and the side. But first of all, let's start. She starts by locking in the moisture with this oil, getting her hair nice and moist because, as you know, it is a protective hairstyle, so her scalp could probably go dry. So this is what she does to lock it in all before. She's just tying it up so when she does do the back, it's easier. But she does do the back off camera, which you are going to see in a minute. It looks so pretty and beautiful. But yeah, now she's going to do the side one to show you. So firstly, she starts by going in with the crochet and the afro hair, twisting it in. Make sure that both sides are the same length and then just add your natural hair to it. Then I'm going to go in and do the same thing, crochet in the red one, same length both sides. But when you are wrapping it around your natural hair and your afro, make sure you're starting it by doing the top tight so it doesn't unravel, which is what she's doing. She's just distressing the hair to give it more of a better effect because you don't want it to be too neat. So yeah, you just go in tight at the top, as you can see what she's doing. Eventually she's going to add her finger when she goes further down, which you're going to see in a second. And this is just to give it a distressed look so it doesn't look too neat, because this is a really nice hairstyle once it does get a bit messy. But always make sure the part ends are the clean ones. Just slide out your finger. As you can see, what it does, it just gives it a really cool effect. But yeah, she's managed to pro this hairstyle, so shout out Simply Mayonnaise for your hairstyles. Make sure you watch all her tutorials. Now you're getting to the bottom, just twist it around your finger, make a knot, and then any excess hair just cut off with a razor. You don't really need it, just a waste of hair in it. So yeah, lovely, perfect. And now we'll be doing the second one. She's just going in again, crocheting it in, adding it to her natural hair, crocheting in the red one. This is a really nice colour. I do think it complements her skin. She looks so beautiful. Going in now, twisting it again, making sure it's tight at the top. Just speed up the process. Goes down, finger, all the way to the end. Make sure you knot it, cut off any silly ends you don't need. Let's see how it looks. Perfect. You can just tell she's feeling herself looking in the mirror. But yeah, lovely, beautiful. Okay, perfect. Now we're on the last two. You guys know how the last two braids feels. It just feels amazing. And now we're going to show you, it's kind of literally the same process, just on top of your head. You need to focus it more because you will be seeing that when people look at you, literally. But yeah, same thing, going in with the hair, crocheting it. But this hairstyle is very versatile. You can do so many hairstyles with it, as you can see in the start of the video. And if you need any inspo, there is some pictures at the end when she's done her makeup and she looks so pretty. And then you'll be able to see, take screenshots. But this is a go-to hairstyle anyone should get. I do recommend. Distressing the hair once again. We're just going to do the same process. She looks so focused when she's doing this, but focus literally makes it how it looks. Beautiful. Beautiful. But yeah, lovely. I'm gonna have to get her to do mine. Lovely. Now we're just onto the last braid. Crocheting it once through again. Ooh, you guys will definitely see what I mean about the clean partings once it's done. It just really makes the hairstyle stand out more, look fresh, even with adding my finger, giving it the distressed look that she is giving it when she adds a finger. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, put your post notifications on, so anytime Simply Made drops any video, you're the first one there and you don't want to miss out on all the tips and tricks and fashion, hairstyle, beauty, everything. But yeah, lovely. She's obviously feeling herself, like a little cheeky smile. This is her when she's done her makeup, when she's getting ready to go out. It looks so nice and makes her look so young because she needs it. Bye!